Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign up for a Whop account. All right, let's begin. Start by opening your internet browser and visiting the Whop website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. First, enter your email address. This is where Whop will send a verification code. Double check for any typos or extra spaces. After entering your email, click Continue or Next. Now, open your email inbox and find the message from Whop. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. The email will contain a 6-digit verification code. Copy that code and paste it into the box back on the Whop website. Once your email is verified, choose a display name. This can be your real name, a nickname, or any name you prefer. Make sure it's appropriate and easy to remember. Next, upload a logo or profile image. You can upload a photo from your computer or choose one from Whop's default image library. You can also skip this step, but having a profile picture helps complete your account. After that, you'll be asked to join a group. These groups connect you with creators, communities, or services. Select a group that interests you and click Join or Continue. Now your account is ready. You'll be taken to your dashboard where you can view memberships, check notifications, and manage settings. So that's basically how you can sign up for a Whop account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.